Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, carry me to heaven. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, blow my troubles away. She was the youngest of 15 older brothers. She was doing all the chores around the farm. Nobody loved her, not even her mother. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, carry me to heaven. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, blow my troubles away. Trees began to swirl and sway. Bless her heart, salty little Sally. No one's ever seen her since that day. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, carry me to heaven. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, blow my troubles away. Sally wasn't running around, and when they found her body in the forest, they didn't even put her in the ground. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, carry me to heaven. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, blow my troubles away. One more. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, carry me. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind, blow my troubles away.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you, Hypnic.